Let's make some jerk chicken plantain sandwiches. We're not playing no games. We got a whole chicken for this. Of course, wash it off, season it, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and of course some Grace hot jerk seasoning because we in LA. They don't really jerk out here. When I cook, I drink, and it was a long day. Now my bread is going to be fried plantains, tostones as some of you may say. I love the smashing part. It gets the anger out and looks so pretty. This is the results. Here's the chicken after baking for 2 hours. After his reaction, I knew the chicken was ready to shred. Added more of that jerk juice up in there. Now it's time to plate it. You know, I got that secret sauce with some avocado, and then there goes my jerk. Top that baby off, and we are ready. Fried plantains as bread all summer long. Y'all joining?
10 out of 10. This is a meal you gotta be quiet for. Like, I don't need no conversation.
Do you see the weight to it though? The density of it? I need 10 of these.